In today's global marketplace, product safety and quality are more important than ever. That's where certification comes in. You may have heard of the CE Mark and the SABS Mark, but what do they really mean? The South African Bureau of Standards is a national body in South Africa that is responsible for developing standards and certifying products. The SABS Mark shows that a product has been tested and meets South African quality and safety standards. It assures the public that the product is safe, reliable, and fit for use. The CE Mark stands for European Conformity. The mark is required for products sold within the European Union. It confirms that a product meets strict safety, health, and environmental standards, allowing products to move freely across European markets. Locally, the SABS Mark plays a similar role. It demonstrates compliance and conformance with South African national standards and confirms that products have been independently tested for quality and safety. Certification is not just a requirement, it's a responsibility. It ensures legal compliance and conformance, protects consumers from unsafe products, and improves overall product quality. Most importantly, it builds trust between businesses and their customers. For businesses, certification opens doors. It provides access to both local and international markets, creates a competitive advantage, and reduces the risk of product failures. The result? Greater customer satisfaction and stronger brand reputation. Many industries rely on certification, including manufacturing, construction, automotive, medical devices, and everyday consumer goods. So, how do you get certified? For the SABS Mark, businesses must first identify the relevant standard, apply to SABS, and submit their product for testing. This is followed by a factory inspection, certification approval, and ongoing audits to ensure continued compliance and conformance. For the CE Mark, the process includes identifying the applicable EU directive, assessing product requirements, and conducting testing and risk assessments. A technical file is then prepared, followed by a declaration of conformity before finally affixing the CE Mark to the product. In summary, the SABS Mark represents South African quality assurance, while the CE Mark provides access to European markets. Both are essential tools in ensuring safe, reliable products that protect consumers and communities. Certification isn't just a mark, it's a commitment to quality, safety, and trust.